If you're wondering how to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, this video is for you. Hi guys, I'm Chantel and I am a blogger and YouTuber, a very new YouTuber, and I also homeschool my children, and I'm like what I call a serial entrepreneur. I like to have a lot of different businesses going because I have a lot of ideas, and I would love to help other moms who are interested in making money online. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned. So recently on my BookTube channel, I reached the 4,000 watch time hour mark. So there's currently two big milestones right now with YouTube to hit. You want to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once you have both of those, then you can officially be monetized on YouTube. Now, I hit my 1,000 subscriber mark back at the end of June, and I shared a video shortly after that, sharing kind of like some of the ways that I was able to get 1,000 subscribers, and so I will leave that linked here. And now, a couple weeks ago, I finally hit the 4,000 watch time hours mark, so now I want to do a video kind of sharing some of the ways that I hit that. So I came up with like 8 different things, really I guess 8 plus a bonus, different things that I've done to hit the 4,000 watch time hours on that channel. Obviously, every channel is going to be different. I have heard that some people sometimes hit the 4,000 watch hours before they hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. That was not the case for me at all. It took me pretty much a month and a half after getting 1,000 subscribers till I actually even reached the 4,000 watch time hours. So I don't really understand how that works. Like, I mean, obviously it works for some people, but I think it's more common to hit the subscribers first and the watch time hours next. And even then, like when I hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, I think I was probably only halfway to the watch time like threshold that I needed, and that 4,000 watch time hours seemed so far out there and so unattainable. But like, I made it. Let's just get into all the different tips that I have for how to hit your 4,000 watch time hours. Okay, so I'm gonna just like start off with the bonus one. The biggest thing I think really is just to be consistent. And I'm saying that on a channel where I have not been consistent. Right now, my goal here in this channel is not to make money from it. It's just kind of like to share my online income journey and hopefully help others. But if you're wanting to hit the like monetization mark with your YouTube channel, then obviously being consistent is very important. And I really found that to be true with my channel. So I've kind of like flipped back and forth between posting 2 or 3 videos a week, but I'm very consistent on which days those are. It's not just like uploading videos when I have them. I schedule them for when fits into my calendar. So currently I'm posting every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. And before, when I was just doing 2 videos, it was just Monday and Thursday. And so there's consistency, and that pays off because then your subscribers know when they're going to be getting more videos from you, and YouTube knows what you're doing and what you're all about, and then they actually like push out your videos more to people. Okay, and then the like official list of ideas here. The first one, and I honestly didn't actually believe this one until I started doing it, but that is to make longer videos. Now, you don't want to make longer videos and make it look like you're making longer videos. Like, you don't want to just rattle on or add extras that aren't there. Like, it needs to be like actual good content that you're adding to your videos. If you're trying to do filler, people can see that. But if you can think of ways to make your videos longer and still have good videos, that makes a big difference. I actually, for a long time, I liked the 10-minute video mark because that's kind of where I like to watch videos. So I figured that's what would be best for my channel. But I actually kind of like accidentally, uploaded a longer one. It was like, oh, well, this is longer than I like, but whatever, I'll put it up there. And I realized, so for me, kind of people watch between 40 and 50% of my videos. And I found after that video, it doesn't matter how long a video is, they pretty much always watch 40 to 50%. So if I'm posting a 10-minute video, they're only watching about 5 minutes. But if I post a 30-minute video, they're watching about 15 minutes. So, like, time really matters when you're trying to gain watch time hours. And that was like a big light bulb moment for me. And so, you know, I tried to think of ways that I could make longer videos without filler, obviously. And since I started doing that, then my watch time hours like started climbing dramatically. Number 2 on this official list is something I do not see people using enough, and that is making good use of your end screen. So at the end of a video, you have the option to add, you know, a couple different cards and videos and playlists to your end screen. So I think you have 4 different options. And if you have watched any of my videos, either here or on BookTube or on my homeschool channel, I have a subscribe button, and I have a playlist that is kind of related to the video that has previously been played. I have a video that I think people would be interested in, and then it shows the most recently uploaded video. And then that gives people lots of options. So like, I want them to subscribe. That's really important. And it gives them more videos to watch so they can keep binge watching my videos. So what I like to do is I have like a card, like an image that I've put into my video for the end. Usually it's about the last 20 seconds of my video, where I have written like watch more and subscribe. And so people kind of like know what they should do with these different options that I've given them there. And I think that makes a big difference. It makes people stick around and, you know, continue diving deeper into my channel. Number 3 and 4 kind of go hand in hand. And maybe actually number 5 as well. So I think it's always good, if you can, like if it's applicable, to reference a previous video of yours in your videos. So if you're talking about, like for me, let's say I'm doing a reading vlog for my BookTube channel, and I might reference like when I picked this book on my TBR, then I would insert, you know, at that point in the video, I would actually insert a card. So that is number 4, is use cards. And then people know, oh, she's got like a video related to that, so they can continue just kind of going through all the videos. So reference your own videos throughout and use cards so that people know that you actually have videos on that and where to find them. And then like completely related to that, at the bottom in your description, you can also, and honestly, I haven't done this very much, but I should do it more. You should also, or could also, have like a section where you write watch more, or here's more videos related to this, and then list like a couple videos that they might like if they liked this one, kind of like related themes. And then once again, that just gives them more opportunity to kind of like dive deeper into your channel and rack up those watch time hours. Another great one, also kind of just related to those last few, is to use playlists. So create playlists for your videos. So like for instance, this video, I'm talking about YouTube. So I'm going to add this to my YouTube tips playlist. And then people, if they are interested in more information about YouTube and getting started on YouTube and the things that I have videos on, then they can just go to the playlist and they can watch all the way through. So like maybe, you know, if you reference one video, that's only 10 minutes. But if you reference your playlist or you share your playlist, that could be like 30 minutes to an hour worth of videos that you have there. And that will dramatically increase your watch time. One of the things I like to do is to promote my videos elsewhere. So I almost always, after I have a video go live, I will put it up on Instagram. Right now at this point, even though I actually share pretty much all my videos on my Instagram, or on my homeschool Instagram account, because that account has enough followers that I can share direct links in my stories. So I like to do it that way. But you can also like share it just on Instagram, like as an actual photo. I do that fairly frequently as well. And so the more people that can, you know that you have a YouTube channel and that you're posting new videos, then the more people that will be watching your videos and giving you more watch time hours. Okay, and then my last tip, which kind of goes without saying, but yet I think it needs to be said, is just try to do your best to gain more followers, more subscribers. So I do have a full video on like how I got my first 1,000 subscribers. And you want to continue that, because the more subscribers you have, the more people you have watching, and then therefore the more your watch time hours go up. And you don't want to just hit that 4,000 watch hours or 1,000 subscriber mark. You want to keep going and increase it, because once you're monetized, the more people watch your videos, the more ads they will see, and then therefore the more money you will make. So like something like Instagram, they kind of like, I feel like it doesn't really matter how many followers you have beyond 10,000 followers, because then you can use Instagram links or links in your Instagram stories. To me, there's not a whole lot of benefit to have more Instagram followers, but something like YouTube, I feel like I can see the direct correlation between subscribers and the money that I make. So for me, I feel like, you know, you just constantly want to be getting more subscribers. Okay, so those are my 8 plus a bonus tips on how to reach your 4,000 watch time hours. I hope this is helpful. I haven't done a lot of videos so far on here about YouTube because I'm like new to this platform. At the same time, I think I want to share my journey when I'm in it. So I don't want to wait until I have like 100,000 subscribers or something crazy like that and then share about having 1,000 subscribers. I want to share it as I'm in it, as I'm reaching these milestones. Now, my last video, I said I was either going to do this video on should you have a blog or YouTube channel, and I think that's going to be my next video. And then I'm going to do Instagram followers, unless someone else has a suggestion on something they would like to see in the future. But I think I will do blogging versus YouTube next, because that's kind of where I'm at in life right now. It's applicable to where I'm at, and I have a lot of thoughts on it, and I think that might help others as well. If you've never left a comment on my videos, or if you're a new subscriber, I would love it if you would let me know like where you're at in this online income process. Are you kind of just like trying to figure out where you should go? Are you making some money but you want to make more? Like how are you trying to make money? How would you like to? I would like to know as much as possible so that I can help you as much as possible. So I hope today's video was helpful, and thanks for watching, guys.